Hi friends, I am Yuvan Shankar from Food Technology Department. We are going to see about physics behind in food processing. Next, we are going to see about high pressure processing, exposing food to 50,000 to 10,000 Psi from 30 seconds to 1 minute. High pressure interacts with pathogens life process. Food is mostly water, so high pressure does not crush it and does not affect taste or nutritional value. Soups, jams, dressings, salsa. Next, we move on to pulsed electric field. Place a foot between two electrodes and pulse 20 to 80 kilowatts for less than 1 second. It is used mainly to enhance food quality and restricted to food products that have a low conductivity and do not contain or form bubbles. It's have to study need further. PEF technology. High voltage arc discharge. It can be done by applying rapid discharge or voltages through electrodes in a solution. It creates an intense power pressures wave and produces a new chemical compounds through electrolysis. And it shows a promises but still under study. Pulsed light. It involves the uses of intense short durations pulses of both spectrum wavelength. It is used mainly to reduce the microbial populations on packagings or food surfaces. Yet more research needed on the extract mechanisms involved in inactivations of pathogens. Oscillating magnetic fields. It have been explored but the effects are controversial. Where food is placed in a plastic bag and subjected to 1 to 100 pulse with a frequency of 5 to 500 kilohertz for a total exposure time to 25 to 100 meter per second. Its results have been inconsistent. Ultraviolet UVC ranges from 200 to 230 nanometer wavelength. Has a germinal properties due to DNA mutation effects. Ultraviolet exposure must be lost at least 4000 joules per meter in all parts of the product to be effective. It is used mainly to treat juices, water supplies, and food contact surfaces. Ultrasound. What is ultrasound? Ultrasound can range above 20,000 Hz. It causes an intracellular cavitation, micromechanical shocks that disturb a cell structures up to the point of cell membrane description. It is a very tricky to get all variable just right. Pulsed X-rays. Pulsed X-rays has the advantages of being very precious, having high depth of penetrations, and by pulsing the negative effects of radiations can be somewhat mitigated. Pulses can last from 1 to 30 ns up to thousands pulses per second. Irradiations. In food processing, a food passes quickly through a radiation field, typically gamma rays produced from radioactive cobalt-60. Irradiations interferes with bacterial genetics so that contaminating organisms can no longer survive or multiply. Dosages in kilograms, mostly used today for dried species. Ohmic and inductive heating. The uses of electrical resistance to heat a food internally and its advantages include rapid and uniform heating. Food is literally plugged in. Next we saw about microwave and radio frequency. It is found to be unreliable to non-uniform heating cold spots. As a food heats, microwave absorption properties changes and location of the cold spot shift. The coldest location determines the level of safety. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.